Why do 70% of nature lovers believe trees are rooted forever? Think again. Meet the walking palm tree, scientifically known as Socratea exorrhiza. Found in the rainforests of Central and South America, this unique tree has a fascinating trick up its roots. Instead of staying put like other trees, the walking palm can slowly shift its position over time. How? By growing new roots in the direction it wants to move and letting the old ones die off. It's like tree yoga. Why does it do this? To find more sunlight, of course. With the forest canopy constantly changing, this nifty adaptation helps the walking palm survive and thrive. So next time you're in the rainforest, keep an eye out for this wandering wonder. Nature never ceases to amaze, does it?